He built Apple into one of the world's most valuable companies, and while he was doing that, he transformed several other industries as well. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you've used one of the many products that Steve Jobs famously innovated. The late tech genius, who was born on February 24, 1955, set the standards for the look and feel of personal computers. He created the iconic iPhone, the iPod, and is known to be one of the biggest innovators the world has ever seen. In today's video, I'll be sharing a number of interesting facts about the man behind Apple, Steve Jobs. But before we proceed, I would just like to point out that I make videos about business, startup and finance, and if you like my content, make sure that you hit that like button and share this video with your friends. In today's time, when everyone's bragging about coding and people are even teaching their kids how to code, let me tell you that the founder of Apple, Steve Jobs, never wrote a single line of code in his life. All the programming and engineering at Apple was done by Steve Wozniak and Alan Baum. Steve Jobs was only involved in the business and the creative aspects of Apple, and his sole focus was on creating a good user experience. Fact number 2, Steve Jobs was a college dropout. Don't let anyone tell you that a college degree is a prerequisite for professional success. Jobs came from a working class background and dropped out of Reed College in just 6 months because of the financial strain that it put on his family. Jobs also revealed decades later that one calligraphy class that he took during college inspired him in the earliest typography which was used in Mac computers. Steve Jobs may have been a very public figure, but he always made sure that he kept his private life hidden. Jobs was adopted and his biological father, Abdul Fattah Jandali, was a Syrian immigrant. He rebuffed Jandali's attempts to get in touch and was denied paternity of his own daughter Lisa for many years. Steve Jobs' earliest computer was recently auctioned for $500,000. It's hard to believe that a computer from 1976 would still work today. But Apple's first desktop model, the rare Apple I, which was originally sold at a price of $666 at that time, recently made it to an auction. It was in working condition and the 70s computer was bought by an anonymous buyer for a price of $470,000, which is around 2.5 crores Indian rupees. Fact number 5. Steve Jobs experimented with a lot of psychedelic drugs. Like many people in the 70s, Jobs was something of a hippie in his early days. He and his friend Daniel Kotke, who became his future employee, frequently used to consume LSD during his college days. Kotke even describes himself and Jobs as monk wannabes. Steve Jobs was very influenced by his spiritual teacher Ram Dass and even practiced Zen Buddhism. The Buddhist principle of mindfulness supposedly even inspired Apple's simple yet effective product designs. Steve Jobs followed a simplistic dress code. His signature dressing style included a black turtleneck, jeans and sneakers. It is also said that he had around 100 Levi's jeans throughout his lifetime. Fact number 7. He met his biological sister at the age of 27. The famous author Mona Simpson is his biological sister, who he tracked down later in life. Her first novel, Anywhere But Here, is about her relationship with her parents, who are Steve Jobs' biological parents as well. Fact number 8. He patented all his inventions. Steve Jobs had close to 300 patents under his name. The glass staircase at an Apple store is one such patented attraction that pulls passers-by into the store. People at Apple are known to create sleek and well-designed products. Apple adopted this approach due to Steve Jobs. The first iPod was 19.9mm thin and the most recent one is 6.1mm thin, and Steve Jobs is responsible for this. He wanted the original iPod to be even smaller than what was handed to him by his engineers. He dropped the iPod in a fish tank in an aquarium and pointed the bubbles that were coming out of the device to the surface. He mentioned to his engineers that the bubbles mean that there's still space in the device and the instruments in the iPod can be crammed up to make it even smaller. Fact number 10. He was eccentric. Steve Jobs was very eccentric in nature. He was very mindful of time and used to get very angry if someone arrived late to work. One of his secretaries, who was also a single mother, was late to work one day because her car broke down. When Steve Jobs realized this, he threw her the keys to a brand new Jaguar and insisted on never being late again. Fact number 11. He was a fruitarian. Steve Jobs also had eccentric food habits. He used to be a fruitarian for some time and only used to survive by eating fruits. There would be weeks where he only ate 5 or 6 fruits, And his reason behind that was eating fruits keeps him fresh and eliminates the need of taking a shower. He believed that by avoiding shower, he could spend more time creating and designing Apple products. Due to this weird food habits and not taking a shower, he had to work night shifts when he was working for Atari, because there were frequent complaints about his hygiene by his fellow employees. Jobs' attention to detail would put him in either of the two categories. He was a passionate leader or he was just plain crazy. In 2008, Steve Jobs called Google's Senior Vice President of Engineering and mentioned that there was an emergency. The emergency was he was not happy with the shade of the color yellow used in Google's letter O. He wanted it to be fixed immediately as it did not look good on the iPhone. Sounds crazy, right? But Google agreed to that and later fixed that issue. Last but not the least, fact number 13. Jobs said no to modern medicine. Jobs insisted on not using any modern medicines and avoided them at all costs. When he was detected with pancreatic cancer in 2003, Jobs did not really pay any heed to doctors' advice. He did not go ahead with any tests or any surgery. Instead, he stuck to extreme vegan diets, practiced the ancient art of acupuncture, and even consulted a psychic. Well, like they say, every genius has been called crazy at some point of time. Even though all of this sounds really crazy, but Steve Jobs has inspired millions of people across the world to follow their dreams. He's still considered to be one of the biggest tech innovators the world has ever seen. Well, these were the 13 interesting facts about Steve Jobs. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. It's me, the Bombay Boy, signing off.